Good morning! Welcome to our humidifier factory. Hope you have a very good nice day. Thanks for watching our video. You know how to humidifier factory is more than 15 years experience to develop, research, produce and sell humidifiers. The kinds of humidifiers. Actually, we have our own engineers to develop research humidifiers. So just give me the details you want, we can customize for you. Okay, now today I just want to introduce our very popular and great humidifiers with highest motion sensor functions. And now, let's go through this door. Then you can know what it is will do. Okay, let's go. We just go through this door and wait for several seconds. Okay, and then this mixture will kill the letters from the top. Very smart, yeah. So this door usually used in some public gate like school gate, railway station, airplane station, and shopping malls, etc. And another thing, if you don't want to use the motion sensor function, let's go. Long press is Mr. On button for 3 seconds. Then the motion sensor function will be drop out, which will not sensitive people. When you want to start the motion sensor, just long press this button again. So when you just go through it, then it will not work again. You can touch control or irritate remote control it. If you like it, call me.